Jay here. So I have a special package that I just got delivered to my house right now. So let's unbox it and see what I got. Goku Black. A Goku Black pop. So let's take it out the box and see what it looks like. So here it goes. Goku Black. Funko Pop. He looks dope. He's number 214. I like the details he has. The earring. The Kamehameha wave. He looks dope. Can't wait to add him to my collection over there. So if you take a look in the back, it shows you other pops you can get, like Future Trunks. Already have him. Now I have Goku Black. I might get hit. They have Zamasu, Whis, Super Saiyan, Future Trunks, and Gotenks. I might get Gotenks and hit. But all of those are just dope. But I'm glad I got Goku Black. I was waiting for this to arrive. And I can't believe I can just add it to my collection now. So this was just a quick unboxing or unrevealing of what I had like delivered to my house. So thank you for watching and catch you on my next video.